Hi, this is Mobile Max. I'm going to show you how to eat quick and pretty good. Buy yourself 1 pound box of large shells at the market. Buy a bottle of spaghetti sauce. Cut up 1 onion. Buy a pound of hamburger. You boil the noodles until they're al dente. It means, they're soft, but, they're not mush. A little bit hard when you eat it. That's the way I like it. I'm using water, bottled water I use. And I just cover the noodles about maybe an inch or two above the noodles, and then I boil it and I taste it and stir it frequently. You gotta stir it, don't forget. Stir your noodles so they don't get stuck on the bottom. I do everything in one pot, this big pot here. And you gotta have a colander to drain your noodles here. You're gonna need a colander like that. Just dump your noodles in. And then after you drain them, you shove your meat and onions in there and you cook your meat and onions. The meat grease will cook your onions, so I just put them in there all at once. The meat and the onions. And I cook the meat and I brown the onions all in one fell swoop. And then I add the spaghetti sauce and the noodles, and voila, you got yourself some spaghetti and meatballs, or spaghetti and meat. This is Mobile Max. Thank you.